Who got your hella hoes? Oh my god, you're a fucking no-show. Wasting my penny, honey, licking D. What the fuck, you're a fucking shorty. Just kidding though, oh my god, every girl deserve this fucking love, oh my god. Gonna both flex for you fucking honeys, why so fucking getting me horny. Just kidding though, hella for show. Got you fucking hella spending my fucking money on your fucking hoe, what the fuck, keep that shit on the leash like a fucking tramp. That's right, hella ram skating all day, fucking hella flips, oh my god, smoking that bomb, hey. Just man, just me, hella fucking rude, hella got the fucking booze, hella got the groove, just like Scooby Doo, eating snacks all day long. Why? Cause I'm just that. Hella facts, oh my god, fucking rude. Who fucking hella hooking you up from the ground to the fucking air? Why? Cause I'm so kind in my fucking mind. That's right, homie, please let me be. If you're fucking hating me, I don't care, fucking friends are. Oh my god, don't care, friends, and go have a fucking like a fucking fast food going down your fucking butt. Oh my god, gonna explode. So fucking rubes, what you gonna do? Gonna spit this fucking mean shit? Why? Cause fucking bitches thinking all this and that. Oh my god, what a fucking damn bet. How to sucking your blood out cause you always want feeding on the fucking money. Looking like fucking got yourself looking like Robert De Niro. Got no fucking De Niro. What the fuck? Fucking don't homie. Stop fucking looking like a fucking punk bitch. That's right. How to snitch on my fucking click. A-Town got the shit tied on my back. Just kidding. How I got a tan though. Oh my god. Fucking photo show. So bitch, tell me now, who fuck yeah on the fucking party? Got you hella drunk, gonna drink the Bacardi hella hard. It's okay though, but come on, stop being like a stupid hoe, that's for sure. Gonna represent fucking clean bitches, hella classy ones, oh my god. Want one, so right now, oh my god, hella fucking waiting. He don't care though, cause nice motherfuckers always fucking get the bomb. Bitches hella fucking not doing that, yeah yo, what the fuck, hella Tony, yeah yo, fake nigga. It's okay though, why? Cause I love everyone, don't care cause we're all the same kind. Oh my god, in my mind, so fucking exploding hella. So I keep on going, hella spinning these crazy mean things. Why? Cause bitches still don't get it. It's okay, cause they're always having fun. But come on, there's a limit, cause you're a fucking bitch ass looking like a fucking guy. Oh my god, looking like a fake dog. What the fuck, bitch? Take a fucking high. Oh my god, mountain bike that shit to Arizona, bitch. You bet you over there you get super dome. Why? Cause they're hella fucking cold with the AC blasting on their dome. That's right, fucking spitting mean shit. Got my body right for the fucking real chicks. That's right. Gonna fucking represent the classy original man. Hella OGs represent OG, OC. Oh my god, everything gonna represent. Fucking rudes going crazy, hella head begging. I don't have a fucking sweating though, cause I don't want to. Hella hair. Gonna curl this shit, just don't care why, cause I'm fucking rude. How to spitting this shit from the 714, that's my code. Playing Call of Duty, bringing all the hoochies, that's right. Fucking rude, so clean, so fucking mean. So haters, what the fuck, what's up? Telling me do this and that, what the fuck, don't wanna do that shit no more. Gonna explode with my own way, that's right, family shit.